If you're great, they gon' hate. Ha! Yeah! What's good, Go Drip fam? It's your boy Poppy Blasted, man. Coming at y'all with another video. I know it's been a minute, man. The Go Drip family, we've been real busy. But it's okay, man. Today we're gonna make up for that. You know what I mean? We're gonna take y'all with us today, man. On this Merry Christmas Day. You know what I'm saying? Here's a fam right here. Honesty Dream, say what's up.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
What's up? Happy Merry Christmas.
You too quiet, bro. You gotta be, come on, man. It's Christmas, man. Come on, you
Deshaun,
happy or
come
what?
on.
I know you open
Come on,
gifts up,
Deshaun,
man.
come on.
Come on, man. Dukes, what's up, man?
What's up, guys? Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Come over here. Merry Christmas.
What's up, Go Drip family? Merry Christmas.
Yeah. All right, so look, check it out.
My hair's not really done.
It's all right. They know how you look regular. You know what I mean? It's cool. It's morning. It's early. So.
I'm gonna like take a bath.
Right. It's all good. Look, check it out. So we're gonna take y'all with us today. We about to pretty much open up these gifts. You know what I mean? It's kind of late. You know what I mean? It's about 10 o'clock. We woke up kind of late, but we ready. So we about to open up these gifts, man. We gonna film it. We gonna film throughout the whole day. There go Trey right there.
What's up, Go Drip fam? Merry
You know
Christmas.
what I mean? And you see Mom, she over there cleaning up. So, you know, we getting it together, man. She don't want to be seen right now. We all ugly. We all
Really, nigga?
This morning, we still got our eye boogers in our eyes.
We all look like vampires.
Right, we just woke up. Anyways, man, look, y'all stay tuned, man. Hey, look, check it out. Make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you guys hit the like button, so that way you will not miss out on none of the drip that we drop. Hit that notification bell too. All right, let's go. All right, but look, before we open up the gifts, man, my cousin came from Phoenix, Arizona. This is his first time coming to the drip. You know what I mean? Drip Oasis. So, you know, we got him on camera. He ain't gonna know though. You know what I mean? He don't even know. Uh-oh, spotlight.
Oh, what's
you
up?
on the spotlight,
what's up?
bro.
How you doing? Merry
Okay,
Christmas,
bro.
man. Merry Christmas.
How you doing?
Doing good.
Hi.
This is Gabby.
How you
Nice,
doing,
nice.
Deshaun,
You know, nice
Yeah.
to have you guys finally.
Fam right here, you know what I mean?
What's up? How you guys doing, man?
Yeah,
It's been a man. I don't think you guys definitely don't remember last time I seen you guys. That's crazy. Well, it's
Yeah.
nice to meet you guys at a time where you'll remember. You know, my
Yeah,
name's
we still-
Rome. So nice to meet you guys. I think I'm your. I don't even know, like cousin.
I just say cousin.
Cousin, yeah.
Just say cousin.
Yeah,
Let's just say cousin.
We family, man. We family,
Fam,
man.
all right, look, so check it out. We haven't opened gifts up here, and like I said, we're trying to get together. So
Okay.
I'm about to film it, you know, on the channel and let the family see, you know, what we got for them. So
Okay,
you see,
okay.
it's some drip in here. You know what I mean?
Ooh, okay.
There's some drip in here.
Nice,
so. All right. Now she got her Christmas. She in the Christmas spirit now. She ready. There you go, Mama ready.
A little bit.
Why you?
I
you
went
take
to
the
get the
shoes
Lakers
off?
on.
You went to the Lakers, and they do play today though.
Want to
She want to
keep
rock the
the
Lakers
Lakers on.
instead of putting on the ones that we got, the Christmas ones. Come on.
It's okay.
Yeah. Yep. Fancy had she had one too, one like just like that same color. She had her pajamas too, but she like it's too hot. She can't keep it on. She keep on taking it off. You know. Say what's up to the fam, Fancy. Say it. Yeah. Go to your fam. There she go. Hey, Fancy. Y'all make sure I follow Fancy too. There she go. Boom. Yep. All right. There we go. Oh, they over here playing. Yeah, okay, huh?
Daddy, I've been playing around, but
Hey. Y'all ready?
yeah.
Come on.
We're about to open presents.
Yep, come on. Let's
We're
go.
about to open our presents.
Yeah.
Oh, you get a secret.
Turn that thing off. Let's get it. All right, yeah, you can do that. You can do it all.
Okay.
Go Drip Mama.
Right there.
I really don't. I just sat here.
Okay.
All right.
Where you want me to
I'm
start or
gonna sit
just
over
go?
No, just go. Just go.
Okay.
And I'll go right here.
I'll sit over here.
Yeah, I can sit over here. Yeah.
No, just like you guys can go back. You guys just like, there's not that much in my hair.
Open it.
All right, Savannah, come on.
Open it.
Yeah, it's dark though. That is a light up in here.
6 a.m.
They were trying.
What do you open it, Mom?
Mm-hmm.
Open?
Yeah.
Oh my god! Dang!
Is that a gun?
This is nasty!
Alright.
It's like bigger than my entire body, bro.
Barbie doll. Why that Barbie doll so thick? How you get a thick Barbie doll like that? Barbie doll like this.
Wow. Someone's in trouble. Oh, okay. He got one too. Oh, yeah. It's on.
It's cracking.
Is this the one that I ripped yesterday?
You ripped one?
Yeah, remember because I was about to break it, but I'm also going to
That over there, boy.
Another one? Is this a remote control car?
Yep. Remote control truck.
You guys loaded up. Ooh. Oh, that's
Yeah, another gun.
Oh my gosh.
Look
Look at it. Oh my, it's a ball.
Get out of here that way. That way the sun. The lighting.
You got a helicopter?
Yeah, Mom.
Yes. Now we can all fly together.
one by one. You got it. Y'all coordinated.
there you go.
I like this.
Good. Sit down, Mom. You want to show here? Helicopter?
Yeah.
Oh, Mom, look. That's a Hello Kitty. Alright. You're going way too fast. I can't even keep up with all this.
Oh, I wonder what this is. It looks like a box. It does.
Uh-oh, what's those?
Yeezy?
Yeah, I got the Yeezys though.
Hey, Mama.
What color? Which one's those? Some J's?
Ooh, oh my, these are fire! These are
see?
fire!
Yeah,
I
okay.
think I know
You
what
guys
this.
got
I
the
could
same
wear
shit,
this
but different
with.
sizes.
Oh. Dang, Mom, what's those?
Balenciagas.
Some Balenciagas.
Ooh, Balenciagas.
I mean, even,
We
you
can.
know,
The
I
socks?
ain't been tripping off that. He still rocks them.
I'm like, we
I
can't.
can't wait to
He
wear
still
this.
rocks them.
Thank you.
They
Yeah.
still look nice.
Oh,
Yeah,
Balenciagas.
they still looking
Okay,
nice.
Mama, let's try this.
And it. Yes! We needed a
The football.
football! Oh my gosh! We're using that water one. Oh my. This is the big one too. Yeah. And these look so pretty.
That's that official football too.
Yeah, that's the real
Big one.
The
college.
real deal, yeah.
Oh, I don't get it. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Hello.
Here, Kevon.
I know what I did.
This is a baby, like baby.
What's that, bro?
Whoa. We got a real one.
That's that big, yeah, that's that big dog. Hey, you got that big body. You got that wide body, boy.
Oh, yes. The other scooter we use.
Wow.
Remember?
Take that
Come on, what
all
color is
Man, I got a lot of gifts, bro. Come on, man. Got a whole gang of gifts.
Thank you, Mommy.
Another baby doll? Yeah. I'm doing a good job picking that up right away. Yeah. Man, it's gonna be people coming over, bro. It's gonna be my dad coming over, my sister coming over. It's a couple people, me coming over.
Okay.
It's a couple people coming over, bro.
I know what this is. I caught it.
It's like a potluck. People gonna stay on it.
Oh, okay. I got
It's gonna be a long day.
Big.
you. We can run to the store real quick and get some stuff and make some mac and cheese if you want.
To make some mac and cheese.
Mom got the recipe.
You don't gotta do that, bro.
I mean, you know what I'm saying?
You don't gotta contribute. Like I said, you don't gotta contribute, but I mean, if you want to, you
Okay, I appreciate
feel
it.
me? I mean, you guess, bro. So it's cool. But like if you want to make it though,
That does sound good. I ain't gonna lie.
It's Granny's real recipe. Like,
you did it before?
she did it on
Oh, for real?
like a week ago for the first
Oh,
time.
yeah,
And it
okay,
worked.
yeah, we need that.
Yeah,
man.
she got it.
We need that.
Yeah. Yep.
We need that Gabby special.
Sounds good. Sounds good.
We need
I'm
that Gabby
coming for
special.
yours.
That was cool. Like I said, you don't have to, but I mean, that'd be cool. She got all she was.
Take her to the city.
All right, yeah, that'd be dope. That'd be dope. It's interesting because I want to really see, you know what I mean?
Yep, exactly. Trust me. You know what I'm saying?
And I know you know what I mean? I know you don't cap. So
Yeah.
I know we should have did it the other way because this way. Should have went that way. Man,
You want me to get a light?
I hate that. It ain't enough like light. I mean, it's cool, but like it'd have been better the
Needed
other
some
way.
new jeans, bro. I had
Taking
none.
out them clothes now.
I had
No, that's good. That's good.
You got Yeezy too.
There you go. Look, look at your Yeezys. Hey, mama.
You looked that for school, huh? Lucky.
God.
Freshest kid in school, man.
Yeah, for real.
Yes.
Alright.
Here, Deucey.
Oh my goodness. This is
More clothes, huh?
more.
Dang.
I'm trying not to wear my black jeans anymore.
Here, Deucey. Hold on, Mama's coming.
I'm so happy to check these two bags.
More stuff? What's that, mama?
I don't know.
Man, you got a whole gang of dogs, huh? That's music right there. That's music. You show me that music. Look. I had to get you music.
Wow.
Look though, look. Got him.
There we go.
You're welcome, baby.
Is music coming through?
Yeah, she's supposed to come through.
Okay, cool.
Oh, these are
That's in Boston, I think.
Oh wow,
I
yeah.
love it. When we went up to Boston.
Well, what's that, Mom? What's that? Oh, Deuce, what's those? Oh, the Yeezys?
We all have the same one.
Dang, bro. Them hard right there. Yeah. Happy?
Yeah.
So you can open that one too.
It gets better every year, bro. I try to always be saying I'm gonna get them with it.
A little upgrade.
It always, cause you know they like electronic stuff. They like electronic stuff, really, but they always be like, I'm gonna try one big thing, and then I end up always just going crazy about other stuff. I just got to, bro. I love my kids, man, so I want them to have, you know.
Most people do this for like be so happy just to do this for one of their kids, bro. Yeah, they do it for all of them.
Yeah, I got to. Look how many it is.
I know this is a blessing.
What is it? Oh, lotion?
Damn, look. See, remember Dreamy had broke his controller?
Jimmy broke my controller.
Yeah, Dreamy had broke his controller, so now he got some controller.
Go, man.
There you go, mama. Look at this scooter. Dang.
Thank you, Mommy. Thank you, Daddy.
You're welcome, baby.
Thank you, Mom. Thank you, Dad.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Oh, here, Deucey.
Man, I should put out there. I should put out
Mommy,
there.
what is
No, but I need like.
I hate that.
Mom,
You gotta see again. I probably do it. Doing posts, I probably just
Here.
like kind of like put the light up a little bit.
This one I wouldn't.
Doing posts, you know what I mean?
Yeah, I wouldn't know.
Oh, really? Okay, I just like, I don't know.
Like they took all the gifts like outside, they lined them all up and it's still behind them.
and someone
Oh
that
yeah, I will be. Yeah.
Oh, it'd be a nice memory, you know.
Deuce. More. Yeah, Deuce.
No, you know, dreamy.
The wrapping paper.
Man, you know, you got a lot of gifts.
Oh yeah, I got one of those jeans. I got so much jeans.
You got some too. You want to open?
What is that?
Yeah.
These ones are yours.
I think so. Oh yeah.
This is all dreamy stuff.
Every day of the week.
You on?
We all know what that is.
Yeah.
didn't want to say nothing, boy.
What color is it? It's black. He called it. Oh my god.
Dang, bro, you got an iPhone. That's crazy.
Yes. Finally. Thank you. 11. I told you it would be a black iPhone 11.
Yeah.
Because his was yellow,
black
mine
one.
was white.
So all you guys got iPhones now. So y'all deserve it. Yeah, y'all deserve it.
This is the, don't lose that because that has
That
to go
phone.
inside.
Yeah, they get all A's.
Oh, that's
All A's. You see, he got 2 B's. That's it. All A's. Other than them, they got all A's.
you guys.
They got all A's.
That's just minus 1 year. You know what
Right, right.
Still get 20. You know what I'm saying?
Right. Hey, for real. Oh my! Look at your iPad. Whoa. How old are you with an iPad? 5 with an iPad? Come on.
Thank you, Mommy.
There you go, baby. You got that
Thank you,
iPad.
Mommy. Thank you,
You're
Dad.
welcome.
Baby, how about this one?
You had all the games on that.
Let's see what this one is.
What's that? Oh, let's. What the heck?
Oh wait, you're just gonna have to take off.
I'm excited to see what this one is. Dang!
We can play it together.
You got a. What's that?
Nintendo Switch.
A Switch?
That's a Nintendo Switch Lite.
Now you got your own.
Nintendo? Oh, now you can leave theirs alone, huh? Oh, right. You like it?
Yes.
Where's bro?
Theirs. This is the only one that has one.
Oh, is he?
Yeah, ours both.
You can still play together.
Yeah.
No, bro.
It's all good.
That one is to that silver thing, and that is the helmet.
Okay, well, what is that? What's that?
In the stairs.
Oh!
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Finally, so we me and Juicy were going to do
Are you happy? You still happy, buddy?
I just need a case.
All right, so
I'm so happy about
Go
these.
get that then. All right, gotta go to the storage, bro. See you back. All right, y'all. So I'm about to go to the storage. I had to put this in the cut for the kids. It's a couple of things in there, man, cause it's too big. We didn't want to bring it out pretty much and put it all under the tree. Cause as you see, we didn't really have too much space right there, cause we had bought a lot of stuff already for them. So now I have to go into the storage right now to get the next surprise. You know what I mean? So let me grab that right now. Let's go. All right, guys. So this is stuff that we had in the storage, man. I had to put away because it was big stuff. You know what I'm saying? And there wasn't enough room for it. We already had a lot of stuff under the tree. So we got Dreamy her bike. She had to upgrade. Her last bike was this one. So it was time to upgrade. So we got her this one. Voila! She was happy about that. Also, we got her a jump away bouncer, like a little bouncy thing. Even though they got a trampoline right there, but you know she like jumping, so now she got 2 things to jump on. I mean, then we got Trey. Trey got this TV, 50 inch. We'll put that on the wall. He had one on the wall, but it broke for some reason. I don't know. Out of nowhere, the screen just started getting dimmed, and it was weird. So I told myself I'm gonna get him we want to get him one for Christmas. All right, guys. So look, Stephanie went to go get them, so we're gonna have them come out right now instead of taking it to the house. So we gonna check out their facial expressions, how happy they get. You know what I mean? So no, not every. Just wait, one at a time. Don't go past here. Don't go past here. There you go, Mama. That's yours. There you go. That's yours. Woo-hoo, look at that.
Speechless.
Look.
For real.
Look. There you go.
You got a big girl bike now. Hop on it.
That bike. Woo! Wow.
Let's see.
I just need to learn how to do it.
You got this. You got the training wheels on it. Go. Ooh. Go.
Ooh, damn. There you go, Mama. All right, now here you go, Trey.
TV.
This trace wasn't working.
Thank you.
Yep. So all you gotta do is put it on the wall.
Yep.
We good. You got your TV, bro. I told him your TV broke out of nowhere, just unexpectedly.
Yeah.
It just started turning black. You can hear it, the sound, but no picture.
Yeah, that's for your
So,
baby doll to ride.
and I think the other one was actually a 45, so that's a 50, so that one's
Yeah.
a little bigger. Feel me? There you go. So we
Thank
hooked that up. Now you can play your PS5. You know what I'm saying on that thing, boy.
Yep.
Yeah.
You're welcome, baby. You're
So
welcome.
It's hot in here.
I like y'all gifts. All
I love it. I love it. Yeah.
Especially my clothes and
right.
shoes.
I like the AirPods. I like the iPhone and the shoes.
yeah,
I like the iPad.
You did?
Yep.
Why you give it to him without me right there?
They wanted their stocking.
Yeah, but wait. Why you should have waited? All right, y'all. So when I was outside getting those other gifts, Mom gave him those without even, putting it on camera. So we're gonna show y'all he got some AirPods. He been wanting them for a long time.
Yeah.
Y'all saw on his birthday, he got that phone. So he been wanting them AirPods for the longest. So now you got them. So you happy, bro?
Yeah.
That's good, man.
My favorite
That's what it's
iPad.
all about, making your family happy.
Like,
Everybody
yeah,
happy. She got
Apple.
her iPad. You know what I mean? You got your football, bro. You know what I'm saying? You got everything else. You got helicopters and the Yeezys and all type of stuff. Balenciagas and all type of shit. The TVs and everything. You know what I'm saying? I know you ain't. Who you going for? Man,
Here.
I know you ain't know. Oh, you the Suns? You like the Suns now? Who they playing? Oh, New York and who? Philly? Yeah. Who your team? Man, who's that nigga? Oh,
You
anyway.
got your do-rag on?
Who's gonna get this ball?
You got that drip on.
I don't know, but let's pick up everything.
I'm trying. I'm about
Let's get everything up.
Guys, come here.
All right, so now it's time
Ow. Hey.
for me to open up my stuff. I mean, us to open up our stuff. Yeah, I needed some more of this. That's that fire right there.
I wanted these.
That's that sauce. That's that sauce right here, for real. I ran out of this fast too. I like this one. This the only size they had, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, I like that. All right, so you want me to open yours now?
No, that's yours. Too.
No, we can do one by one. What? Yeah.
Mine is open.
What is it? What is it? I just opened this.
Mine is open.
That's some tray, huh? Yeah.
Okay.
A helmet.
Ooh.
I knew it was gonna be a helmet.
Nice.
I
A
said it.
robe.
Yeah, look at that circle.
I've been wearing
Look
the
like some
robes
circle,
lately.
huh? You got the
Yeah.
helmet, huh?
That's for your bike, baby.
I know.
I think it's all wrapped up all good.
What?
Well,
But what are these?
that's good.
What are those
I should have
presents,
closed the
Mommy?
windows, man.
Mommy, what are
Those are
those?
for Dad.
That's
Oh,
hard.
Okay, nice.
That's hard, yeah.
Mommy, can I go get my candy
along
from
with the
in my?
road.
Can I go get my stuff from in my stocking?
Give her that.
Yes, you can. Thank you, Trey.
Unless you got it.
Okay, this is from Trey.
Yeah, we didn't really want to focus.
For you.
For us, we didn't really want to focus on each other. We focus on the kids. You know what I'm saying? Every year we normally focus on the kids and us, but we really just wanted to focus on the kids and that's it. So if we see that we're not opening a lot of gifts, it's because we ain't really tripping. It's our whole thing is to do this for the kids. We ain't tripping on gifts for us. You know what I mean? But it's what's this? A blanket? What's it? Oh, a throw. Yeah. Yeah, good looking, bro. Yeah, you know I'm gonna be having this on the couch. Good looking, appreciate that. Yeah, that's dope.
Oh, you're welcome. I forgot you had.
All right, so what else? Is this for me?
Yes.
Oh, these some shoes.
Oh my gosh.
These some shoes, bro. I already can tell. Yeah, some Jordans, huh? Okay, what's what? In the red and whites. In the red and white things. Yeah, I knew they was. Yeah, these hard. Damn, yeah.
Nice.
For real. Thank you, baby. Yeah, these is hard. Thank you. Yeah. How you know I wanted these? Oh, cause Twist, huh? Too, huh?
Yeah.
Twist, I got some.
I was telling Trey
Yeah,
about
these
it.
hard.
Well, Trey was there though that day.
Daddy, can you?
And then one more thing right there, babe.
Wanna open that? Shit, put that right here. Over here. Here. You open this for her, Trey. Oh, man, that was in the cut, huh?
Why are you holding it?
What's this?
Is it mine? Who got this?
What is it though?
Mommy, who got this?
Me and Daddy.
Oh,
Thank
damn.
you, Dad.
Oh, yeah.
Hey,
Let's go right over there. Check this out, bro.
Woo!
That's hard. I ain't gonna play with this.
Oh yeah, that's a display.
Yeah, it's collectible, bro.
Thank you, Daddy. Thank you,
You're
Mom.
welcome, baby. Yep.
You
It's got a
welcome, Mama.
signature too.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's official. That thing's crispy, man.
Yeah,
Like,
bro. Oh.
Mommy,
that's
you want my
nice.
present?
Yeah, I'm gonna definitely have this
you
over
want my
there.
present?
It's for real. Dang.
Yes, that was from
Thank you.
the NBA store, okay? And it was expensive
So that's
for
that-
a damn basketball.
You want my present?
It's a real one.
Yeah.
Mom, you want my present?
Man, that's crazy. I'm really gonna.
Get it.
Nah, me too.
yeah.
From Spotty.
Wilson ball way more than Spotty.
Me too. Yeah, I'm gonna have this over there. Right over there in the cut. Cause you know we normally have like a lot of Laker stuff, bro.
Oh, yeah,
But we
okay,
took all
sorry.
Laker stuff down for Christmas and put the Christmas decorations up, bro.
Yeah.
It's normally all Lakered out, bro. In here, you guys, you can see.
Yeah, I love it, man.
You see the OG stuff on the walls, though. You can see those.
Yeah, like with the
Yeah.
all the pictures, man.
I got her some shoes. I'm gonna show you the shoes that I got her. She really what happened? Oh, yeah.
I opened them already.
Yeah, show them the shoes. She didn't want to wait, you know what I'm saying? So we gonna go get those. Y'all can follow if y'all want.
Okay.
Follow if y'all want. We gonna go get them. We gonna get the shoes, boy. We gonna go get the shoes, you know what I mean?
Wow.
Fancy.
Puppy.
Don't bark.
Don't bark.
Yeah. All right, so
Wow.
let me see. Hey up there, bro. I can't even grab you. I have to use your boosties, bro. Get that.
I mean, I can.
Hold on.
Yeah, okay. I mean, I can jump for it real quick.
Right there, look. Just like this. Ah, 2 hands.
Yeah, I got you.
You got it or no? Oh, see? Bounce. Yep, there you go.
There you go.
All right, so good looking, bro. All right, what we're gonna do is she got some Yeezys too. As y'all know, we love Kanye, bro. I don't care what. You know what I'm saying? I mean,
We
he
like
talk.
the shoes, man. We like it.
No, he speak the real though. He speak the real. I don't care what nobody talking about, man. I like Kanye, man. He speaking the real, bro. For real. For real.
What?
Kanye? We like Kanye over here. We like Kanye. Here, show him.
I guess we like everybody who everybody don't like.
Yeah. It's just because the real is it's all full of politics, bro. Like, he keeping it real. He keeping it. There they go. Them things hard.
Yeah.
Them things icy right there.
Nice.
Yeah. I just opened them already.
Now, 'cause, you know what I'm saying? Like, that's gonna
You
be,
see in my closet, I got all these.
yeah, that's nice, man.
Yep. So
Yeah, they are because they're not gonna sell them no more.
they're not.
Once they run out.
Nope.
Oh, that's gonna be super.
So go ahead and end the video. See,
All right, guys. Well, that wraps up the opening of the presents. Everybody's happy and they love everything, so that's good. Yeah. So we'll get back to you guys later. Bye.
make sure you tell them to subscribe.
Subscribe.
Go ahead, tell them.
Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe to the Goat Drip family.
Hit that notification bell so that way you will not miss out on none of the drip that we drop. Every time we drop, you will see and you will cop. You feel me?
Yeah, that.
All we do is drip. Yeah.
Checkmate, puto.
Gang.